What's going on, everybody? JBH here, and welcome back to another video. And today, guys, I have some very exciting news. So Hersheypark has just released the official POV of Wildcat's Revenge. I'm super excited for this ride. So without further ado, hope you guys enjoy this video. So we're basically all going to sit and watch. Hope you enjoy watching the official POV, or you can always head on to Hersheypark's official YouTube channel. So I did just also want to point out that yesterday was, of course, on the 3rd of February was, of course, the event at the park, the Wildcat's Revenge construction tour by Ace. I found out about that event super late. I wish I could have went, but it's super exciting to see everybody's people that I know that other YouTubers went, and it looks like it's so fantastic. But anyway, here we go, guys. Hope you guys enjoy this video on the official POV of Wildcat's Revenge. Alrighty, everyone, well, I hope you enjoyed that video, that POV. It looks so good. I just can't wait for this ride to open this summer, only at Hersheypark. This ride will really put Hersheypark on the map, plus being the only RMC in Pennsylvania, and and of course having the world's largest underflip. So that will definitely be unique for RMC, which will stand out differently to all the other RMCs. But I'm really excited to ride this, because this will be my first RMC coaster. So I'm trying to get out to Cedar Point. I definitely want to go on Steel Vengeance, and I definitely also would love to go on Iron Gwazi out in Busch Gardens, Tampa, Florida. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video today, guys. Leave a comment down below how excited you are for Wildcat's Revenge. Till then, guys, I'm JBH, and until the next adventure, I'll see you guys real soon. See ya!